Today, I'm going to show you how you can create a word cloud from your YouTube comments easily and effortlessly using TubeBuddy. Now, let's jump into TubeBuddy and let me show you how easy it is to pull comments to the forefront so that you know exactly what your audience wants. But before we do all that, don't forget to subscribe, as I am always bringing new insights and tutorials for content creators like you. Okay, let's jump in. On your YouTube channel, you're gonna go up here into the upper right and click on your icon. And we're gonna go to YouTube Studio. So from YouTube Studio, we actually wanna go to our comments and mentions. Now at this point, you should already have TubeBuddy hooked up. So what you're gonna see here on the screen is you're actually gonna see some icons for TubeBuddy. So if you don't see them, that means you're not connected yet. So you're gonna wanna go check out the free trial that I have down for you in the pinned comment. Let's get back into it. As you can see, I have my little TubeBuddy icons here, and we can actually go through. I can filter my results from, messages I have replied to, messages that have questions. These are all really, really handy. Over here, you'll see this little cloud, and I'm gonna click on this cloud. And it's immediately gonna bring up my word cloud. Now this is based off of the filter I currently have, which is basically all comments. Let's filter it down a little bit. So we're actually gonna go in here and filter based off of questions. The reason that I do this is because I actually want to create future videos based off what people have questions about, right? So we want to filter for questions and then create that word cloud so we can kind of get a really quick overview of the type of topics people want to know more about. Let me show you. So I have filtered for contains questions and I pushed go. It's bringing in all my matches. And then I'm going to go over here and click on my cloud. So these word clouds, as you can see, are super easy. Now, if I wanted to go to content, we could just select any video we want. So let's select this video right here. I can go to the comments for this particular video. And again, I can do a word cloud for this specific video. So you can collect these word clouds and you can harness the power of data. Comment word clouds are just one of the many things that TubeBuddy can help you do to succeed on YouTube. If you would like to try TubeBuddy for yourself, go ahead and check out the pinned comment down below where I give you a special link so you can get a special trial. Also, check out the videos I have listed at the end of this video so that you can learn even more about TubeBuddy's awesome features. Either way, I hope that you subscribe, as I will be back with even more tutorials for content creators like you very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Now get out there and start creating.